Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This video is really not necessary, but when you're using the transparency docker, and we just did a little transparency on this picture, you can also, when you have the transparency docker up, you have a bunch of tools up here. I've never played around with it too much, but you can change some things, and like right here, you can do a textured transparency, and it just distresses it more. You know, and you could maybe even put your slide bar back, you know, well, I guess it is at 100, but you could even bring it back. So what we're doing the opposite. So if we back up here and see what the original picture looked like, this is a pretty cool effect right there. And there's other effects. I don't think any of them are good. Two-color transparency, which you can change the shape, you know, whatever. And let's back up here. That's not as cool as that first one. Bitmap Transparency, vector pattern. And these are all patterns that are in your transparency tool. You know, that's not as cool. None of them are, to me, as cool as the this one right here, where you could actually have a kind of a two-tone, more of a distress, because that's one of the patterns in our sample, and you could, you know, possibly even change around with that. That doesn't look good because it takes away the stars, but there's a lot of them in there to play with. Always just play around with things. I think that's the same one I had. Just different effects. Anyway, hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.